What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we're diving into the world of engine bay aesthetics with ZSpec Designs Stage 2 dress-up kit for the Ford Focus ST and RS. An engine dress-up kit is the perfect way to add a subtle pop to your engine bay, and is one way to help it stand out in the crowd. ZSpec has created an amazing dress-up kit with precision and style in mind. Included inside the box are fasteners in separate labeled bags, and also an install guide to help with the installation process. That being said, this kit is very straightforward and organized. ZSpec has made sure that the installation process is hassle-free, allowing you to enjoy the transformation without headache. The fasteners are made from high-quality polished stainless steel hardware and billet aluminum finish washers, available in a variety of color options, offering both durability and a modern finish. Now let's break it down a bit further. This kit is designed to elevate the look of your Focus ST or RS engine bay. This kit helps you go the extra mile and truly show off your attention to detail in your build. We all know that the Focus ST and RS suffer from a somewhat bland engine bay, so ZSpec has thoughtfully included a range of fasteners to dress it up. From the intake manifold to the valve cover, and even the strut tower brace and more, this kit covers all the bases. The bright metal finish contrasts beautifully with the dark components of your engine bay, giving it a sleek and custom appearance. With this kit, your Focus ST or RS engine bay will surely stand out, making a statement wherever you go. And it's not just about looks. Let's discuss how this kit provides performance and longevity to your engine bay. The stainless steel fasteners provide excellent resistance to corrosion and rust, offering protection to your engine bay against potential damage. The billet aluminum washers are stronger than the stock washers, reducing the risk of breakage or bending over time. ZSpec has a reputation for creating high-quality products and has been doing so since 2008. And this kit is no exception. It's engineered to withstand the test of time. Worried about the installation process? Don't be. This Stage 2 dress-up kit is the most complete dress-up kit on the market. It comes with absolutely everything you need to give your engine bay a facelift. The best part? There's no need for special tools. ZSpec dress-up kits are available in 15 different finishes and over 150 vehicle model specific kits in stainless or titanium styles. Panda Motorworks is an authorized distributor for ZSpec hardware, as well as their billet accessories like oil caps, battery brackets, and other awesome merch. So if you're ready to give your engine bay a makeover, click that link in the description and get yours today. Now enough of me, let's check this kit out in greater detail. Due to this car having a mount-tune intake manifold and carbon fiber hood, not all pieces were used, so we had some leftover hardware that we can get creative with later on. All right, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. Thanks for tuning in with us and checking out the ZSpec Design Stage 2 Focus ST and RS engine dress-up kit. If you're looking for a kit just like this, again, we have the link for that in the description below. Go check it out. We wanna thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys wanna see more content just like this, make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. And if you're interested in a set like this, let us know in the comment section below. What color would you run in your Focus ST or RS? Thanks for watching.